Monster kill.
Good morning. Dobro jutro. Dan 2 počinje. July 3rd. Sad treba da radimo nešto da bi se osjetili kao čovjek. I da se operamo od taj životinje sinoć. Ali pre to moramo sednemo tu malo. Veš, razumete? Da, razumete.
Ali to neću da snimam. Sam ja
Grozan kreten. A jesam. A baš jesam.
Značimo malo da kupimo jelo. Jelo. Prvo i žuto. Ovo ja. Ovo je žuto. Couple of guys out on the town gonna do some grocery shopping. It's gonna be epic. Or not. Or whatever. Couple salads, couple sandwiches.
Yeah, something like that. I don't care either one.
Fucking A, mate. Fucking A. Kulaš, Milane! Kulaš! Pazi šta Milane kuva! Čevapče jebem ti majku! Čevapac! Da ne bude kurac da si! Nema boje, Milane! Nema boje! It's awake time. It's 8 p.m. I've spent the entire day editing. Let's check on Milan. Let's see what Milan's up to. Milani!
Hey,
You go as hard as we did last night, you don't get up today. That's how that works.
best I ever.
That's how that works. Outside, what do we got going on out here? Oh, hi, how you doing? How you doing? You got a friendly friend. He's a friend. He wants to be your friend. He's a friendly friend. I don't think he likes me. I don't know. Dude, I think the sun is setting somewhere. Holy shit, it's the cap. You can kind of see it. I love how everyone's just like, what's this guy yelling? He's sticking out his window. He's yelling. All right, fuck it. Let's go for a walk, huh? Let's get out of the house a bit. It's almost 9 o'clock. Let's do a walk, Milani.
We should go to a bar.
A bar.
Yeah.
A little bit of the hair of the dog that bit you. Dude, I love this unicycle guy on a rope with the little umbrella. This art situation you have going on makes me feel things inside my body that I've never felt, like cutting myself. Check on Millie. Oh my god, is that Picasso's War? It is. Millie, pause her face. How did you get the big bed? Milan's bed is smaller than that. You're a tiny person.
Maybe it's the same size bed, he just looks smaller.
Fuck.
He's on it.
That's fucked up. We're thinking about going out and getting a beer. What are your thoughts?
Done.
Done! In my mouth now? That's where I live? Alright then.
15 minutes.
Oh, is that the countdown?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a promise to ourselves. Not a countdown.
Don't have these.
Happening. Beer. I don't drink beer, but we'll find something for me.
15 minutes later.
We all got our respective drinks. I'm doing water,
I'm doing water.
beer, and water for Millie.
What are you gonna have it out here? Are you gonna be a man for once in your life?
No, I don't think so.
Why do we come out?
To bask in the beauty that is the glorious Belgradius.
Yeah, but you're the one that wanted it. I didn't want it.
No, I made you. There he is. Let's hear it.
Fucking scared the bejesus out of me.
What's going on? Are you having a heart attack? Is you fucking claw? I love you. I don't understand the reflexology of it. I don't understand. Like the whole, what were you holding a trigger? What are you
I was
doing?
on the phone. On the phone. That's what happens when you're on the phone.
It's too funny, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's funny until it happens to you. What if I died there? Tag and died.
I'd be famous on YouTube.
What's this street called?
Schmel Velveta?
Yeah, exactly. I died on
Schmel
Schmabobila.
Velveta. It's kind of a beautiful night.
It is perfect. It's a good night to drink. For drinking, it's a drinking night.
This guy.
We should drink. Gonna go to a place and drink?
Yeah.
Millie says yeah.
Let's do it. We'll get some. We'll get some. We'll make it happen. We'll get some. We'll make it happen.
That's exactly what happened.
Yeah.
She You just said yes.
I'm down.
Just say yes. Oh, let's go to casino. That's good food too. Come on, let's do that. Good food, good drinks, good... 20 minutes later.
Oh, it's time to eating time. It was delicious. Delicious.
Later, the same night.
Oh, you know it is. He's got spoons. What's he got? Harmonica. Copy that. Taking a left. Colorful underground. You always feel a little scary coming down here at night. What do you smell, dude?
Can you smell? Take a smell.
Oh, yeah.
Jesus.
It smells like human shit. Not to be confused with dog shit.
No, way different.
It's a much nuttier scent.
Just then.